And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. Yeah, a little cloudy out there right now, but we had a fair amount of sunshine today in the mix. 15 is where we're at right now. That is our daytime high. We got there at 3 o'clock this afternoon, and our low was -4, and we were there at 5 a.m. Stayed there for a couple of hours before we started to warm up, and boy, warm up, that is the phrase to kind of herald in these numbers, isn't it? Really nice conditions over southern Alberta. Lots of people getting out and enjoying the weather conditions. Now, having said that, we do have an area of low pressure to the north that is already starting to collapse, but we have an area of high pressure to the south as well. This is going to stay fairly strong for the next few days, but it does allow a little bit of an overrun of cloud cover, but no active weather on this side of the Continental Divide in the south. Now, in the north, in the elbow of Alberta, Grand Prairie into the high level area and into northern BC, they have warnings out in northern BC right now for some heavy snowfall. Some of that precipitation is going to cross into Alberta in the form of some flurries and some shower activity for Grand Prairie to the high level area. But here in the south, we are looking at pretty quiet conditions until we get into Sunday. Sunday's the one iffy day that the area of high pressure collapses. It allows this precipitation to try to move into southern Alberta, but by then there's not going to be a whole lot left is what we're thinking. But it will cool down our temperatures and give us a chance of some precipitation. But in the meantime, we are looking at that area of precipitation to be really concentrated into the air, like I said, from Grand Prairie into the high level area in Alberta, and then more concentration as you look into BC through the central areas. Continental Divide is going to take a hit as far as some precipitation goes, but we're not talking about any extreme buildup. We're just talking about some showers and some flurries and a mix of snow and rain in the higher elevations of the mountains. 2 degrees in St. John's. Two systems we're watching. One is a trough coming right out of the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to be causing heavy rain showers. We already got warnings in for southern Quebec. They could see 25 millimeters of rain in the next 24 hours. A second system off the Atlantic coast, St. John's, could see 75 millimeters by Friday morning. 4 degrees in Winnipeg right now, -2 in Regina, +2 in Saskatoon, 13 in Edmonton. We know that the warm air is in Alberta and BC. Sunny in Vancouver right now. Sun and cloud mix in Whitehorse. They had a few flurries this afternoon, and cloudy in Yellowknife right now. And they're expecting possibly to see some flurries overnight tonight. East Kootenay, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, 3 degrees for a low, 15 for a high tomorrow, mainly sunny skies for you. Beautiful day in East Kootenay. West Kootenay, if you're heading in that direction, fairly similar forecast actually. Crow's Nest Pass, partly cloudy tonight, 2 degrees for a low, sunny and 14 for a high tomorrow. Yeah, it'll be a little windy in the afternoon. For Medicine Hat, mainly clear skies tonight, 2 degrees for a low, sunny and 20 degrees. That's not a typo, 20 degrees tomorrow, but you'll have gusts to 50 kilometers per hour in the afternoon, and it's going to be windy here for us as well. But we'll have a high tomorrow of 17 degrees after an overnight low tonight of 4 degrees. Sun and cloud mix, mainly sunny, heavy on the sunshine tomorrow for us. And then we take a look at the next several days. 21 degrees, 20 degrees for the Enerflex MS Walk on Saturday. It's going to be beautiful, even 16 degrees on Sunday. And then Sunday is the day where there is a chance of seeing a little bit of shower activity starting Sunday night into Monday. So Monday's the target day now to see a little bit of that shower activity. So we'll have to watch, because the area to the north that we're concerned about moving into southern Alberta could have run itself out by the time it gets here. So we'll keep watching those water density maps. Now, yes, if you're doing heavy aerobics, doctors and experts will tell you that you should be modifying that, switching it around, doing something less strenuous on the knees like biking or swimming. And runners don't want to hear this, but you really shouldn't be running every day. Your knees are shock absorbers. If you don't take care of them, they're going to wear out. That's our Live Better tip. Now, our next installation of Dine in Lethbridge.